It's a new day and a red light. And we're gonna take a ride up to some lodge that's up the mountain somewhere. And there are some S-curves and hopefully some hills, so we'll put the S-Max to the test. It's good to see cars filling up the downtown again. Hopefully the pandemic is almost over, you know? Never been down that neighborhood before, but someday. Coming up to Owens Creek Road, and we're going to make a right. So we're passing up Sawtooth Lane. We're in uncharted waters now. Got a little bit of rough road here, but then it looks like it clears up again. Guess we'll find out. Road, huh? Well, let's see. Okay, this is Grubstake Road now, and it's finally better paved because I just went through all kinds of unenjoyable potholes, so you really got to watch it up here. Let's hope it's nicely paved for the rest of the way. Okay, it looks like our ride is coming to an end right here because it says private road, private property. Be warned, no trespassing, no hunting, blah, 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 no anything. Okay, so this is Montana. You can get shot going on private property and it would be legal. In that case, we'll just take a couple pictures here. Not sure where this road will end up. This isn't Grubstake Road. Grubstake Road actually goes up here. Oh, this is Watts Lane. And then as you can see what I'm talking about, we got all kinds of private property stuff going on here, including up there. There you go. All right, well, let's get on and either ride back or find a new spot. Well, I suppose we can call this one a fail. I was hoping to have some good road and good S-curves going up this hill. Turns out there's just a lot of potholes, and then everything turns into private property, so now you can't win them every day. All part of the journey. Yeah, see, look at this mess of potholes. Next time, friends, next time. Well, you got a nice view from here. So there's Sawtooth Lane. That says private as well. We'll just go back the way we came. Here's that stop sign that we made a right at to come up this road. So instead of going back the way we came, let's make a right here. We're going to be crossing this creek right here. And I got the GPS off now, so this will just be exploring. Stretch heading south. So now we're at Roaring Lion Road. We'll make a left and see if we hit the highway. Oh wow, look at that. There's 93 right here. Okay, well, that gives me an idea for the next ride, which will be go up Roaring Lion Road. I'll have to check the maps when I get back. All right, time for some action. Highway 93. I feel the need for speed. This one up. Until next time, live life, rock and roll, and check out that cool old Ford truck in front of me. Rock on.